my name is Ashish. I had enrolled in Akash Institute for 2 years integrated program TYM. I am very happy today for my success, and I attribute my success to the Almighty God, my parents, and Akash Institute. Akash classrooms are very interactive and competitive. The Akash faculties are highly qualified and friendly. They help us in solving all our doubts and provide us with crystal clear concepts.
In d block element, the last electron of the element is filled in a d orbitals, and the outer configuration is n-1.
Akash study packages not only help in board preparation but also help us in the entrance exam preparations. It covers all the topics from NCERT. Apart from it, it also covers various points which are extra points which are required for NEET preparation. Apart from study packages, other books such as Last Leap for NEET, Akash Explorer, Gateway, Question Bank for NEET also helped me boost up my preparation by providing a large number of MCQs. Regular test series such as fortnightly test FTs, the All India Akash test series AITSs help us in assessing our performance from time to time. The AITS provides a real-time platform where thousands of Akashians as well as non-Akashians appear for it. The detailed analysis as well as the All India rank help us in understanding our level of preparation, provides a competitive spirit, and helps in interactive sessions regarding doubts with our faculties. Respected chairmen are motivated and inspired me from time to time with motivational speeches. This helped me to keep my pace for throughout the 2.5 years. This is a unique feature of Akash Institute which helps in reducing our stress as well as maintains our pace of study.
So we should be always competing with ourselves, not with anybody else. इसका मतलब है सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट, सेल्फ एनालिसिस रोज़ करनी है और एक बेहतर इंसान हर रोज़ बनना है. इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि तुम्हारा माइंड खुला होना चाहिए, ओपन होना चाहिए. ओपन माइंड में क्या होता है, जो चीज़ अच्छी मिलती है आने दो, कहीं से मिलती है आने दो, और वो आपको हमेशा ही आपका माइंड के अंदर चीज़ें ज़्यादा बेटर होती जाएंगी एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव इन योर लाइफ.
Even during lockdown, my preparation was not at halt due to Akash Institute. Akash Institute made me attempt various full syllabus tests such as CSTs, FTS, Akash Rank Booster Test Series, ARBTS, which helped to assess me from time to time. The doubts in the test papers were also solved on the Akash iCampus in an online mode through MS Teams on Google platform.
तो a into x बराबर कितना आएगा बेटा 50, ठीक है, into p0 by 100. Yes, sir.
Akash is the best coaching institute for NEET. Along with medical entrance test NEET, Akash also helped me qualify for NTSC, KVPY and various Olympiads. Most of our doubts are cleared within classroom itself. If we have any other doubts, we can ask for one-to-one interaction for doubt sessions. Our doubts in doubt sessions are cleared by qualified faculties at Akash. The doubt sessions provide us with one-to-one attention and are highly interactive and comprehensive. If we could not attend any lecture due to illness or any other factor, we can watch recorded lectures on iTutor platform. It is a wonderful platform provided by Akash which helps us in viewing the recorded lectures by expert faculty of Akash. It helps in clearing our concepts and we can watch it any number of time whenever and wherever we want. Akash library is enriched with various books from foreign authors as well as best Indian authors. These books may be required during preparation along with study packages. These books can be referred as well as doubts from these books can be discussed with the faculty. Thus, there is no requirement of extra expense during these 2 years for reference books. I would like to thank my parents, faculties at Akash and infrastructure provided at Akash. I also express my gratitude to all the faculties at Akash for helping me throughout this journey of 2.5 years, which helped me to secure such a great rank. Thus, I request all the medical aspirants to come and experience the success at Akash and excel in the upcoming NEET exam. Thank you.